We challenged ourselves to make an epic commercial for a household spoon. We shot most of our footage in 8K at 30 frames per second. The higher resolution gave us a ton of flexibility to crop, pan, and zoom in editing. To shoot in 8K, choose Video File Type in the Video Recording menu. Then change to a supported format, such as H.265 10-bit. Choose Frame Size/Frame Rate, and pick the 8K 30 frames per second option. For super smooth, cinematic slow-motion shots, we filmed at 4K in 120 frames per second. To shoot in 4K 120, choose the corresponding option in the Frame Size/Frame Rate menu. Try capturing a variety of shots with different setups, lenses, and rigs to add to your edit. The compact and lightweight body of the Z8 makes it great for shooting handheld, mounting to a dolly, or rigging to overhead arms. For shots that needed quick focusing, we used autofocus tracking on our subject. To turn on autofocus tracking, choose the option in the AF area mode menu. Then move the focus point to your subject and press OK. Lighting played a major role in creating a high-end commercial look. In most shots, we lit the spoon from the rear and edges and moved the lights around during each take to add an element of motion. With the incredible low-light performance and features like illuminated buttons, the Z8 came in clutch while filming on our dimly lit set. We had a blast putting this together. And now it's your turn. Try these tips and share your DIY commercials with us using the hashtag NikonCreators.